Ian Richards, and I'm the manager of Camp and Furnace in Liverpool. Camp and Furnace is the UK's first festival venue. We spent a number of years going to a lot of the UK festivals which were continually rained off, or we were wading around in 7 feet of mud, and actually thought, well, what if we take all the great bits like the food, the music, the arts, put them together under one roof and see what the outcome is.